Everybody, in previous live classes we had learned so many important topics from chapter 4, and also in few sections we had learned few important topics related to our chapter 5. But again I am going to repeat few next topic which we don't have completed due to network problem. First, as given chapter 5, this is for class 5th. Our chapter name is walking with a style and object. Here we have to learn so many definitions. First definition here is given a style. As we have to learn, a style is a predefined combination of formatting features as font style, color, size of the text, and etc. Next has given types of a style. There are two types of a style has given. First has given character style and second has given paragraph style. The definition: a character style affects the selected text within the paragraph. That means it will affect only the selected text. Second is paragraph style. A paragraph style control the all aspect of the paragraph such as the text alignment, tab stops, line spacing. That means it will control the all paragraph. Next we have to learn applying built-in styles. To apply built-in style, simply we have to follow some steps. Where first as given, select the text, next click on the home tab, then style, then more. So I am going to show you here. First I am going to select the text. You can see text is selected. To select any text, all text, simply you can press Ctrl plus A key combination. So our text is selected. Then we have to click on the home tab. You can home tab is selected. Next we have to click on the style. You can see a style option has given here. So I'm going to increase the slide. So here is given the style options, and now this type of menu will appear according to our need. Simply we have to select anyone. Suppose I am going to select this. You can see the changes. Another I am going to select. You can see the changes. So this is built-in features style. So according to our need we can select anyone. Next topic is creating a new slide. To create a new slide we have to follow some steps as given. Select the text to which we have to apply. That means first we have to select the text, second we have to click the home tab, again style and more option, and then we have to click on the new options and we have to change the desired settings, which I am going to show you on the computer screen. First I am going to select the all slides. First we have to press Ctrl plus A key to select the desired text, or all text, sorry, all text. Now we have to click on the style options and then we have to click on new option. You can see here has given new style. So I'm going to click on the new style options and this type of menu will appear here. According to our need we can write the name. Suppose I'm going to write the write the name. Here Raj has written, and also you can select paragraph style or character style. According to your need you can select. Next, which type of style you want to apply for head, apply. So I'm going to apply this effect, and also it's a font style and also font size. Whatever will you select, these will apply. And also font color, so I'm going to select the red, and also which type of Latin or complex, so Latin, and also I'm going to click on OK options. So you will see the changes, and you can see the also our style is created here. You can see simply in simply word. Our next topic is word art. Here you can see the definition. Here given the word art features allow us to create a special text effect. That means here we can edit our text. It gives a unique look to the text. Now I am going to show you how it will appear after selecting. You can see here is our text. So I am going to select first by pressing Ctrl plus A. Next we have to click on the insert, and then you can see in text group has given word art. So I am going to click on the word art, and now according to our choice you can select anyone. So I am going to select this effect. You can see, and after this one menu has appears here. So you can change again your font size and also font size, and you can apply bold effect or italic effect. It is according to your need you can apply. Then simply we have to click on OK option. So you can see the changes, and I'm going to show you. You can increase or decrease the size of this all. Any style you can apply according to your needs. So here I'm going to show you. This effect will be applied like this. So this activity if it possible, then do these all activity at your homes. Okay, you can also fill the colors of the shape. You can see the changes, you can see. But if you want to apply no color, then you can click on the no color options. See, and also next has given shape outline. You can select also outline. You can see the changes on the computer screen. It's a better if it possible, then do these all activity at your home. You can see the also designs has given so many shape designs, so according to your need you can select any one. Okay, and you can also apply 3D effects. You can see the all effects. Okay, this effect give unique look to our text. So next topic has given inserting word art, which we had seen just now. So for this we had to click on the insert tab, and also we had to select the word art option, which I had show you before few seconds. Next topic is to cover our document. If you want to cover your document, then we have to follow few steps. Here is given, click on the insert tab and select the cover options and select any desired cover, which I am going to show you first. See, first I am going to click on the insert tab, and then I am going to select the cover options. You can see here is given in pages cover options. So first I am going to click on the cover. This type of menu will appear, so according to our need you can select anyone. So I am going to apply this. So when you will click this type of menu will appear, and all our written words is hidden behind this cover. So if you want to give the titles, then you can edit according to your needs. Okay, here you can select any title, CLASS class test, anything we can write, and also we can set the date and time, and so many data we can keep here. Next topic we will learn in another live classes. So now if it possible, then do these all activity at your homes. Now thank you, bye.